Oh no, someone asked me about my family and I didn't know what to say in English.
Really? That happens to many learners.
Yes, but today you will learn how to talk about your small family in easy English.
Wow, that sounds helpful. This is great English conversation practice for beginners.
Exactly. This is simple, easy English for beginners. You can learn English step by step.
I like that. Simple and easy English.
So, let's start. Many learners want to say, my family is small, but they feel confused.
Yes, they think too much.
But it's very easy. Listen, my family is small.
Ah, that is simple.
Yes, now you try. Repeat after me. My family is small.
My family is small.
Good. Again, my family is small.
My family is small.
Perfect.
What is a small family?
Good question. A small family means not many people.
Oh, like 3 or 4 people?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, tell me about your family.
My family is small. There are 4 people in my family.
Nice. Who are they?
There is my father, my mother, my brother, and me.
Wow, that's clear.
Yes, very simple sentences.
Let's practice this.
Repeat after me. There are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
Again, there are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
Great job.
Listeners, what about you?
Yes, how many people are in your family?
Try to say it in English.
Now, let's talk about family members.
Yes, this is very important for daily English conversation.
Listen, father,
Father,
mother,
mother,
brother,
brother,
sister.
sister.
Very good.
Let's use them in sentences.
Okay, listen. This is my father.
This is my father.
This is my mother.
This is my mother.
Good.
Now I will try. This is my brother.
Nice.
This is my sister.
Perfect.
I like this. Very easy English conversation.
Yes, that is the goal. Easy English.
Now tell me more about your family.
Okay, my father is kind.
Aw, nice.
My mother is very caring.
Wow, that's sweet.
My brother is funny.
That's fun.
Let's practice feelings. Repeat after me. My father is kind.
My father is kind.
My mother is caring.
My mother is caring.
My brother is funny.
My brother is funny.
Great.
I will talk about my family now.
Yes, go ahead.
My family is small. There are 3 people in my family.
Nice.
There is my mother, my father, and me.
Very clear.
My mother is very kind.
Good.
My father is strong.
Wow, strong father.
Yes.
That's great.
I feel more confident now.
That's the power of English listening practice.
Yes, listening helps a lot.
Now, let's talk about pets.
Oh, I love pets.
Me too. Listen, I have a cat.
I have a cat.
I have a dog.
I have a dog.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small cat.
Wow, that's cute.
Yes, very cute.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I have a pet.
I have a pet.
I have a cat.
I have a cat.
Good.
Listeners, do you have a pet?
Say it in English.
This is fun.
Yes, learning English can be fun.
Now, hobbies.
Oh, yes, important topic.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Nice.
I also like playing cricket.
Wow, that's interesting.
What about you?
I like listening to music.
Good.
And I like watching movies.
Great. Let's practice. Repeat after me. My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading.
I like music.
I like music.
I like movies.
I like movies.
Excellent.
I feel happy.
Why?
Because this is easy English speaking practice.
Exactly.
Now, favorite things.
Oh, I like this part.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Wow, delicious.
Yes.
Yes. My favorite food is pizza.
Nice.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Mine is pink.
Good. Let's practice. Repeat after me. My favorite food is rice.
My favorite food is rice.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
Very good.
What about least favorite?
Oh no.
Yes, least favorite.
I don't like spicy food.
Really?
Yes.
I don't like cold weather.
Ah, I understand.
Let's practice.
Repeat. I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like cold weather.
I don't like cold weather.
Perfect.
Wow, we learned a lot.
Yes.
We learned family, pets, hobbies, favorite things.
Exactly.
Let's try a full introduction.
Good idea.
My name is Anaya. I am from India. My family is small.
That sounds great. Continue, Anaya.
My family is small. There are 3 people in my family. My father, my mother, and me.
Very good.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That's amazing. This is how we learn English, step by step.
Yes. First we listen, then we speak.
Exactly. This is real English listening practice and English speaking practice.
And it is easy English for beginners.
Now, let's review what we learned.
Oh, a quick recap. Nice.
Yes, we talked about family.
We said, my family is small.
Good. And we said, there are 4 people in my family.
Yes, and we learned family members.
Father, mother, brother, sister.
We also talked about pets.
Right. I have a cat. I have a dog.
I love pets.
Me too.
Then we talked about hobbies.
Yes, my hobby is reading.
I like music.
Perfect.
And favorite things.
My favorite food is biryani.
My favorite color is blue.
Excellent.
I remember something else.
What is it?
Oh, least favorite things.
Yes.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like cold weather.
That was fun.
Yes, very fun and useful.
Now I feel ready to talk about my family.
That's great. Confidence is very important.
But some learners still feel shy.
That's okay. It is normal.
Really?
Yes, everyone feels shy at first.
Oh, that makes me feel better.
Just practice every day. Small steps.
Yes, small steps are powerful.
Let's practice again.
Okay.
Repeat after me. My family is small.
My family is small.
There are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
My father is kind.
My father is kind.
My mother is caring.
My mother is caring.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading.
My favorite food is rice.
My favorite food is rice.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food.
Excellent!
Wow, that was good practice.
Yes, this is how you improve your English speaking.
Listen, repeat, speak.
Exactly. That is the best way to learn English.
I have a question.
Yes?
What if I make mistakes?
Oh, good question.
I feel scared sometimes.
Don't worry, mistakes are okay.
Really?
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
Ah, that makes sense.
Every learner makes mistakes.
Even you?
Yes, of course.
Oh, wow, that's funny.
So don't be afraid, just speak.
Okay, I will try.
Good. Now let's do a small speaking task.
Oh, I like tasks.
Listen and repeat. Then say your own answer.
Okay.
My name is Iman.
My name is Anaya.
I am from Bangladesh.
I am from India.
My family is small.
My family is small.
There are 4 people in my family.
There are 3 people in my family.
My father is kind.
My father is kind.
My mother is caring.
My mother is caring.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading.
Very good.
Now, listeners, it's your turn.
Yes, tell us about your family.
Say it in English.
Don't worry if it is simple.
Simple English is perfect.
This is daily English conversation practice.
And this is how you learn English step by step.
Yes, keep listening every day.
Keep speaking every day.
You will improve.
Slowly but surely.
I feel happy today
Why?
because we are helping learners learn English.
Oh, that's nice.
And I know they can do it.
Yes, you can do it.
Just believe in yourself.
And practice every day.
Now we have a small question for you.
Yes.
We want to know,
What is your name?
where are you from?
How many people are in your family?
What is your hobby?
Write your answer in English.
Comment below
We want to read your answers.
and practice with you.
Yes.
Also,
If you like this lesson,
like this video
share it with your friends.
and subscribe to English with Iman.
For more easy English conversation practice.
This is just day 1.
Day 2 is coming.
Keep learning
Keep smiling.
and keep speaking English.